In this video, I will show you two different methods to recover your deleted Gmail account. Using the same method, you can recover your Google and other Google application and accounts too. So let's jump into the first method. For the first method, open your default web browser. It doesn't matter which browser. After opening, go to search bar, then type and search recover deleted Gmail account. Then select the very first search result, recover recently deleted Google account. After selecting, you will be redirected to this web page. Here you have to tap on this blue color option called follow the step to recover your account. Then you will get this recovery page. Here enter the email ID that you want to recover, which you deleted previously. So after entering your deleted email ID, tap the next button. Then you will get this account deleted message. You were recently deleted your account and still your account is recoverable. So just tap the next button. Then it asks you to enter your password. Sometimes it asks you to enter your passkey. If you turn on two-factor authentication, it asks you to enter that verification too. After verifying, you can undelete your deleted Google account like this. Then you will get this success message as well as you are undeleted your account, so you can go back to your Google account. Just tap go ahead button, then you will be redirected to your deleted Google account like this. So let's jump into the second method. For the second method, you can use any Google company application. Right now, I will use my Gmail application. So if you already have another account in this application, you can just tap on the profile picture. Then you can just tap add another account. But if you don't have any account within this device, you can use this other method. Just tap down, then just select add an email address. Now you can select Google like earlier. After that, go to the sign in page. Like earlier, you can follow the same method. Enter the email ID that you deleted previously. It doesn't matter which is an old email ID. You can use the same method to recover it. So after entering, tap the next button. Then you will get this message. You can restore your account easily. All you have to do, just tap the next button to go forward. After that, you have to enter your password or passkey. Sometimes it asks you to verify it's you or enter two-step verification or other confirmation method. So if they ask any code, you have to enter that code. Most of the time, it asks you to enter your password or passkey. After entering, you will get this welcome message. Just tap I agree. Then just wait a few seconds until it gets checked. Then your account will be added like this. So just tap take me to Gmail, or you can switch between your account if you have multiple accounts. But using this method, if you couldn't recover your account, you have to follow alternative method. So you can click this end screen videos, or you can find alternative tutorial in this video description. See you in the next one. Later.